in mind. Now, the what, the who, and the why. So what are you selling? Who are you selling this to? And why should they care? When you have any product and you are writing about your product or talking about your product, you should be answering these questions, because else people will be lost. They don't know what you do, so even if they want to buy from you, they will not be able to, just because they're lost. They don't understand what you do. We all have references of companies who are well known because we see them on TV, we see them everywhere, so we think that's the normal, right? We think everybody understands what we do just by looking at our logo. That is not true. People do not know what you do. They don't really care what you do. So you have to make sure you are able to tell them straight and in a clear fashion what you do, who should care about this, and why they should care about this. So let's look at two examples. The first one is Cloudfire, and it says photo and video sharing for busy parents. Get back to the more important things in your life. So what do? I have no idea what this company does. The only thing I know about them is what I'm reading here. So Cloudfire, for what I'm getting, is a photo and video sharing tool, right? So maybe I can clip some photos and videos and I can share them, right? Chances are I'm going to be sharing photos and videos from my children, and I'm going to be sharing it with my family, right? Because it's saying for busy parents, right? And that's the who. Who is using this product? Busy parents are using this product, right? And why should you get this? Because we're all busy. We don't want to waste time uploading and sharing on the computer. And that's why it's saying get back to the more important things in your life. So there you have the what, the who, and the why. Make sure you include these things when you're talking about your business. The user cycle. The second example is life cycle marketing software. Turn your users into passionate customers. So the user cycle, what is this user cycle thing? It sounds like a software that I could use to do marketing. Okay, so that's the what. Who is using this? Well, if I'm doing marketing and I'm transforming users into customers, I'm going to assume that any business can use this, right? And why would they care? Well, it's telling me right here, turn your users into passionate customers. So it's telling me that I can make my users into passionate customers, and this has a lot of relevancy to me, because now I'm thinking, okay, my users into passionate customers are gonna be talking about my business, gonna be talking a lot and bringing me new business, so I really want to do this. So this sounds like something I should use. I've never heard of this before, but at least I have an idea and I'm curious and I want to know more. And this is what you should do when you're creating these concepts of your business, right? You should be able to clearly articulate your benefits, your features, and the whole story as we saw before. Side note on this is that it's very hard to come up with 2 sentences with very minimum amount of words like this is here. So don't think that you on your first day of starting your business will be able to do something like this. You should strive to do it, yes, but chances are you are going to be missing some information or phrasing it in a way where it's kind of hard for people to understand. So you really have to put some time and thought onto how to make this happen, right? But nonetheless, you're gonna start one, maybe it's 3 lines instead of 2, maybe it's 20 words instead of 15, whatever it is. You start with something and then start iterating this to better serve people, right? These things do not happen from one day to the other, from 1 hour to the other. These things takes time, takes understanding of your customer needs, and that's why you should be aware that this is a finished product, what you're looking at right now. But when you're looking at your company, you should be thinking in these terms anyways.